down the road, it's 3:15 p.m. on Monday, April 27, 26. What are we repeating days? Now her flick is here, that's a good thing, yay! He loves our bug so much, we have to share with him. I'll make his time here extra special. And with that, I'll get back to supporting you on Enjoy Me on Island. Know what this means today? Oh, what does this mean today? Well, one, a flick day, technically. Two, hello. And three, thing is, we finally caught one of our animals thinking. Good thing, too. And it was Willow. Hey, Flick. And we got rid of Willow now. So, her plot is empty. And, yeah, I've been doing things around the island. Hello, Sandy. Hello, Frenzy. So what I've been doing on the island... Hey, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. See? Empty. What I've been doing on the island is I've been trying to reorganize my orange tree place. And we're going to put Bunny Lane right here. And we're going to make Bunny Lane look beautiful within the orange tree grove, whatever we're calling it. Well, we're calling it Peach Grove where all the peaches are growing. That's a good thing, right? Yeah. Anyways, here's Hopkins' house. Here's Francine's house. This here is Dottie's. But Dottie won't be staying here much longer, sadly enough. But that's only when she starts thinking. But we do want to get their posters first. So yeah, Flick Day. Let's do a Flick Day. Let's see here. I got it now. We got 3 tickets. But we're gonna go to an island today. Yes! That's what we did. That good thrill of adrenaline. Adrenaline of going to an island hopping? I have no problem with that. Also, I've been starting to grow bamboo. So yeah, all that bamboo up there and up on the top hill up there, yeah, it's being grown. And it's being grown over there too. Because you know who's going to be put up there? Pinky. We're going to try and find Pinky one way or another, and we're going to put her up there. And I really don't mean to feel like isolate her, but she's a panda. Pandas sometimes like bamboo, or they're not meant to eat bamboo. They're just adorable. Hello, Flick. Hello, Flick. Yeah, hi, Flick. I think you talk too much. You talk more than Blathers. Sheesh. We got bugs for you today. Did you guys see Toddie's face? Ah, Dottie, you're funny. Yes! This is why we like you, Flick. We stock up and then you come around and you give us the good stuff. We're like a distributor, if you think about it, for bugs. And look at all these bugs. We're gonna get, oh, yeah. We should collect these so you can make commission. Commission! Flick! Commission! Come back here. Where'd you go? Hey, Sandy, where do you leave? Where do you tip? Where do you tiptoe? Man, he's quick. He just went right there. Art! You may have this. Yes. You may have. Let's see here. I should put down the 49 calorie pills down. Drop them. Now we can collect the rest of this without no problems. Just because we wanted to freaking go on an island, man. What up with that? Ah! Oh no! You don't need to scream at us. Back. Also, I wanted to show you a picture of Hopkins. What we saw him doing yesterday. Technically yesterday, if you think about it. I'll show you in a minute. Yes. Oh, believe us, we got more for you. We got more for days. More bugs to count. Also, Sonic's thinking of making a bug place. I am, but then it'll have to be close to at least this area because technically this is where the bugs are at. These are the bug trees. So yeah, I'm gonna make a little thing where I'm gonna put bugs or whatever. Look. You guys keep jumping over there. Yes. That was quick, Sandy. What you guys both dip? You guys dipping for? Last development of bugs in our pockets just to give the flick. Ah! Ooh, good song. Hereby have all these 6 bugs. Happy day. Thanks, Flick. Right. So, let's see here. Oh yeah. Hopkins' stuff. Yeah, let's go do that. We caught him sleeping on the toilet. and we caught the moment where he woke up. Also, I wanted to show you something. What happened on a video. See, we were just standing here. We were just exited out the residence and service building, and somehow Hopkins managed to see us behind the building. I don't know how he did that. Oh, yeah, no. And he gave us a do-rag. Thanks, Hopkins. Also, I took this picture when I had all that stuff on the ground. I caught Hopkins and Francine talking. It's so cute. It's so cute. And Francine. Right, bug day. Let's go. Orville, our buddy boy. How you doing? We're gonna fly today, Orville, because we got a free spot. If we don't find the perfect animal, apparently we're getting a mystery animal. We take off. Alright, we shoot down the dog at the target island. Let the Oscars go. We got new animals to look for, and if we can't find the right one, we'll be stuck with a mystery animal. Alright, hold near. Get in touch if you need tools or travels, so go catch some bees, chop the trees, or chop the bees, or catch the trees. Whatever you want to do, it's fine with me. Right. It's a pig. As adorable she is, we don't need a pig. Well, we will be taking these 2 flowers here as payment. Thanks for your time. You have a follow around here? Oh. You got seashells. I do get seashells. I'm taking those as payment too. Payment for dropping by? Yeah. Yes. Also no bottle. What a waste of a trip. Not really a waste. We got flowers, Wilbur. You got flowers. Cool, I guess. Hey, aren't you supposed to have only a rose flower place? Yeah. Technically, yes, but we're gonna be doing something different. I see. Alright, let's go home. Okay. Yes. Let's dip. We're going dipping. I love dippings. Right. I tell you what, man, wearing blue is a good time to wear blue. Anyways, Waterfall Island, let's go. Penguin. We don't need a penguin. Thank you very much. Just take your seashells as payment. Collateral damage, or something like that. I don't know what you guys are talking about anymore. You shouldn't. We leave. Nothing here for us, Wilbur. This is my last chance, and then we gotta, get a mystery animal. That's pretty sad, isn't it? Wait, also, I haven't checked on what the freaking stovetop had last time. Now, why do you have a socket wrench this time? What the heck is wrong with you? Whatever, man. Whatever you say, stovetop. Yeah, man. Wow, last ticket of the day. Oh, that's sad. Anyways. Anyway, last ticket. Next thing you know, we gotta go on and get a friggin' mystery animal. We don't know who that mystery animal is, but this could be disappointing or very, very profitable. When I mean by profitable, I mean just right. Yeah, man. I hear that. It's, what's his face, Sonic? Yes, what's his face? what's his name, Bo or Buck or whatever his name was. I don't know. Or something. I don't know. All I know is I think we had him on our island before once. I don't remember. Anyways, enjoy your time here, guy, and yeah, we're dipping. What the heck is a power pop? What kind of genre is that? And why do you need a pen? Put that pen down. You're gonna splash all the ink everywhere. Ready to go home to get a new mystery animal. Ah, dang it! It's freaking minutes. Yep, let's go. We dipping, so let's dip. Oh yeah, mystery animal time. Ran out of tickets. Got nothing else to do but get a freaking mystery animal. Let's go. Right. Now we have to check if anybody has moved in. And if not, we gotta skip a whole nother day. It's not gonna be great. Oh. But we could go to one island. Okay, one more island, and then we can go check if someone's gonna move in. I don't wait next for any. We gotta go get a ticket. Hey, Wilbur, we're going flying one more time. Alright, I got the plane ready up and go. Let's go. Bye. Alright, as always, as usually one always says, last time is the last time. Let's go, man. Well, it's on Money Island and I see a tiger. Sonic, this is fortunate and unfortunate at the same time. I can't blame that for nothing. Besides, Money Island. Out of the way, tree. I'll hold that, and then I'm gonna eat this. Because yes. Out of the way, fish. Pardon us for a second. Right, and the next thing you know, we're collecting the bells. Because yes. You're supposed to hit the rocks on our island today, Sonic. What, really? Yes. I got no problems with it. It'll be a longer video until then, but whatever. Let us know how we want to live. We are so different. Well, we're a failure, but we got the Money Rock Island. Yeah, I don't know about that. We listened to some mambo and apparently the stovetop got a pack of gum. What are you gonna offer gum to, stovetop? You can't chew bubble gum. You weird. Ooh, we showing the Cosmos this time, man. Oh yeah. Still need to find some Cosmos. You know that, right? Yeah, I know. just so we can go grow 10 pink ones, or just grow one pink flower, collect it at every, what, 3 days, 4 days? Who knows? I think it's 3 days. Anyways, you want me to go hit a rock, Amy? I'll go hit a rock for you. Okay. I'll find you a rock. Yeah. It's fine right here. Nope. 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 There you go. Ah, thanks, Sonic. Yeah, we get an extra 6 money rock. Joyous. And we got some extra things in the process. Anyways, now we gotta go see the mystery animal. Let's go check that out. Got it! No one's friggin' moved in yet, but you know what? We have a camper today. Let's be surprised and be disappointed at the same time. Unless it's a good animal or our original animal that we loved. Let's be surprised. Of course it's a deer. Why wouldn't it be? Of course. Thank you for your time. Go away. Oh, finally. Who's living here now? Vladimir. I don't know which animal that is. Personally, I honestly don't care anymore. Now we have to personally meet them. Hooray, let's go. Have a new friend on the island, and yeah, there's Vladimir. We're gonna go meet them, go see what they look like, and then we'll be really disappointed. I can't wait. Ah, it's raining. Alright, Vladimir, we're on our way to go meet you. Let the disappointments begin. Nice house, by the way. And it's a nice house. Cool design. Ah, it's a pink bear with the construction site of a house. Hello, Vladimir. I mean, you're cute in a way, and other things, so let's meet him. And you are... Oh, you my neighbor. Ha! Sorry about that. I'm Vladimir. Now don't let the creaky exterior fool you, even though I look like I work at a construction, live at a construction site, but don't question it. If I like you, I'm actually a nice fella. Most times. And what's it? I got a lot of tidying ahead of me. That's also, that means you're also seeing my house too. Why did you say niet? Knuckles, should we pull out a Russian accent for you? Nah, man, nah, I don't do accents. Tails does. Yeah, I do the best accents. What are you talking about? Let's parlay some other day. Niet. Okay, you're acceptable, Vladimir. Oh, we might have so many fun movies with you. Maybe. That's if I decide to keep you. But that's on your own choice. If you want to leave, that's fine. But if he doesn't, that's fine. Well, anyways, it's Vladimir's first step of interior. Now let's go see the actual interior. Man, this video's long. Oh, finally. Thank you. It's not like this took like 5 days to do. Thank you, Vladimir. Again, nice house. Yep, it basically lives on a construction site. Haha! And he's building. We are so gonna prop up your house and make it look more nice. Ow! 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 Must have been at this too long. My back's acting up. Alright, what you up to? What? This thing? Make some iron armor for my construction site. It's tough, but I got ages patience. Reckon you need that to be in the DIY? Nyet. I just can't get over the fact he says nyet. That's basically no in Russian, which we respect. Oh, what, try making the iron armor I came up with? Here, I can run you through the basics. Ain't nothing to it. Yes, please. Okay then, I wrote some instructions down here. Follow the letter and everything you should work out. Here you go. Build it, don't build it, give it to me, whatever. Shouldn't be too tough to make. Yet, I better be a cinch for you, Panda Queen. Right. And you know what? We're learning it inside of your house. It's great. Right. And you know what? Excuse us. We're gonna build it with you. Right. Bye, Vladimir. Don't worry, we'll take good care of you. And everybody, that was his house. It's gonna be moved. Of course. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this long, excruciating time. I mean, it's been like a couple of seconds for you guys, but it's been skipping days, minutes for us. Agonizing. Agonizing. Yeah, you're here, aren't you? Yeah. Welcome, chum. Have a look good. No rush at all. I mean, we're gonna need that for the what's her face, the cat lady. Might as well get them. There you go. Appreciate your business, my chum. Anything else you want to buy? Sure, please. Alright. Appreciate your business, my chum. Anything else you want to buy? No. Much obliged. Right. Well, we're not even gonna bother saying goodbye, so everybody have a good day. Try not to hurt yourselves or anybody. Yeah, sound like this. Matter of fact. Yeah, Blink. You did fine. Anyways, bye. I'm going dipping.